I'm live on IG. Hi guys, can any of you all confirm if you can hear me? Drop me a message please if you can. बहुत मुश्किल से ट्राई किया लाइव जाने को. Hey Vikas Singh, hello sir. Hey Ankit, I remember you. Message me in my DM. Can any of you guys hear me? Yes, okay, sorted. Finally we are live. Oh my god. बहुत जुगाड़ करना पड़ा लाइव आने को. फ़ोन में तो काम ही नहीं कर रहा था for some reason. So IGTV has a weird thing wherein एक साथ when you're in different countries, especially in Dubai, you cannot join in with an Indian user. तो बहुत difficulty हुआ मुझे. Now I've used my iPad and I've synced it in a different way in order to finally get live. Psychologist JP, chalo good. Even Janvi is live, guys. Janvi is also live from the psychologist JP handle. Finally, yeah. Well, this is lovely. Chalo, thank you for your help. What's the problem in Dubai? Even I'm not exactly sure. Vikas K Singh, because I'm also exactly not sure. We have tried going live on IGTV before also, but कुछ तो country के link में कुछ तो issue है. So when I try to join Jamni Pandya's live and I request for it, it just doesn't seem to work. But okay, now here we are. As you guys might be aware, I'm live right now to help you guys as best as I can to my knowledge for your BMS entrance. So please shoot, ask any questions as much as you want. We have about 20 people live. Okay, that's a decent audience to start off with. What are the career options after BMS? Is the pay nice? Okay, superb question to start off with. Misha Shroff Private. So Misha, yes, absolutely. So BMS is obviously one of the most foundational degrees, right? In the sense that you can have a wave of opportunities. So when you start with BMS, you either walk into BMS typically with either a commerce background in 11th or 12th, or with like PCM science background, or perhaps arts. Regardless, this is a foundational degree, so it's your undergrad course. Once you graduate in it, you have the options to walk into the any commerce field, maybe accounts if you have a knack for it, business development. The most common chosen career right after BMS is business development. So that's a great option you can consider. Then you also always have option to go out of the way, get any placement that matches with your strength. So more than the course itself, again, diversify your skill set, specialize in one particular area, do some internships, which colleges these days you have plenty of opportunities to be able to do that, and land a solid job. This is only the beginning, so don't assume that your course is going to determine your life, right? Everything that you write on your CV is determining your past. It doesn't change what you might want to do in the future. Maths difficulty level. So it's purely arithmetic. Vinayak, good question. Vinayak Tendulkar, Sachin fan. You don't have to worry all too much. It won't be like like next level calculus or anything of that sort. It'll be arithmetic reasoning, similar to any other tests if you may have taken. So it'll be lot of quantitative reasoning, lot of logical progression. So something like find the missing number, right? So there is 4, 8, dash, 16, 20, 24, right? So in that logic, your missing number would be 12. So anything along those lines, or there will be a given data, there will be questions asked, basis on that, there will always be enough hint in the exact question for you to direct an answer. So don't worry too much about the difficulty, just give it the best you can. Make sure you are able to read the question as best as you can. Honestly, if you have nailed the question, if you know exactly what the question is, half your battle is won. So what will be the level of cons? Again, I already answered that for you. How much of competition? Ankit, thanks for reaching out to me. Competition to definitely रहेगा. I won't mince my words. It's not going to be very easy because a lot of people will be writing it, but that should not bother. That should not bother you. Reason being, because at the end of the day, whether it's say 5,000 people writing the exam or even 50,000 people for that matter, everyone is writing the same test. What matters at that given point in time is the question and answer that you're giving. So, and that is equal for everyone, right? No one gets a shortcut there. So just focus on the paper itself rather than the whole stress कि यार कितने लोग आने वाले हैं, मैं क्या लिखूंगा. everyone is facing the same deal. So at the end of the day, it boils down to your individual performance, and then they'll scale it basis on किसने सबसे अच्छा किया, पूरा weightage लेंगे 60% तो ये test का है, you're already aware of this, and then 40% is your 12th boards, right? So don't stress over that. What kind of static GK will come? I'm not entirely sure, Shami. You can expect general knowledge can be expected. I think even mock me there was a whole lot of general knowledge, right? So you can definitely expect all kinds of GK, especially current affairs. Subjective questions, I'm not sure how many might come because it was an online test. In maybe they might ask you questions basis of current acquisitions, merger acquisitions. Read up on Geo, please. Just a gut feeling. Don't take my word for it, but my gut says that there might be some question either in the form of an MCQ or in the form of written, something to do with Geo, some acquisition, some merger, because they've been in the news quite a bit in the last 2 months. Any other questions? Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College. Ayush, I'm not very sure about that. You'll have to, your best bet is to look up online, go through a couple of websites. I don't know anything about Bharatiya Vidya, so I can't really comment on it. How much does 12th result matter? Aliza, as you might be aware, 40% of your overall score is basis on your boards. So rough estimate average, if you have say secured 80% in 12th grade, so that out of 40, that's about 32, right? So you've already got 32 out of 40, assuming a percentage, and the remaining is 60. Depends on how you score, how much you scored in 60. Can you see if I can add? Okay, let's try. Important topics in maths. LR. I think I clarified this. Mostly arithmetic. It won't, to be honest with you, whoever is the person who asked the question, not the basic one. Okay, so not the basic one. It will be rather basic in terms of math. Don't worry about that. You can up till 10th grade तक जितना आप लोगों ने सीखा है, and 10th level का भी difficulty आने नहीं वाला है, because they want to make it as even keel as possible for everyone. It's all MCQ. Okay, yeah. So if it's all MCQ, then even better. I've suggested a whole lot of tips, neat tips in my actual official video, which I'm sure most of you might have watched. So watch that again. That will be really helpful. Let's give entrance today. Yes, Vinayak. So coming from a place where I've written both BMM and BMS, the question paper is similar. The pattern itself is relatively similar, which is why I could ease into both the exams, because they were one day apart. The questions are relatively similar. There will be slight variations because of the requirement of the course. Most of the questions were MCQ. Beautiful. MCQ given. I gave an BM exam and was the average paper. Aliza, yeah, that should help. Again, so when I wrote the BMM exam, I had enjoyed the test, but I didn't personally think that I did remarkably well, because for me, BMM was never a priority. It was always BMS. I later ended up taking BMM. That's a different story. But because I gave BMM entrance, I was a lot more confident for the BMS. So that should definitely help you. You're doing the exact same thing that I did. So good luck with that. How much do you guys score in BMM? Wow, okay, that's a crazy username. I'm not going to read that out loud, but the score itself, I know for a fact that I scored above 50 out of 60 in both. I remember BMS, my score in BMS was higher. I don't remember my exact score in BMM, but hamare time pe it was 60% of your paper, 30% of your 12 boards. I scored 82 in 12th, so that was approximately 24 to 25.5 out of 30. And in interview, I scored 9. So that helped me along with my aggregate. I think I reached around 87, 89, and that's how I made it to the first merit list. Do 12 marks really matter? Already answered that. Again, purely in basis of how much the others score, right? So it's your overall percentage that comes into picture. आप लोगों को पता है 60, 40. So your main ball game is obviously the entrance. Misha, all I would like to say is as long as your marks aren't absolutely terrible in 12th, now of course terrible is subjective, but say even if you're above 70%, right? Because that is, even if I say 70%, that's still 28 out of 40. And if you are able to nail the exam, say score like 55 plus out of 60, should be okay. Oh, Tony, we can't hear. Guys, can you hear me now? Let's see if I can. यार मैं तो जोर से बात कर रहा हूँ यार, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, तो the whole room is occupied. Let me see if this, if it helps if I connect headphones, but that won't help. Our paper was out of 100 marks. Yeah, Alisa, your paper was out of 100 marks, but it will be considered in 60%. वो 100 marks इसलिए रख रहे to get a rough idea of your percentage. So for example, if you, it will be managed by 60 percentage के aggregate में डाल देंगे. So just an example, if you score 90 out of 100, that will be 54 out of 60. That's the logic behind it. How was the paper? My paper from a couple of years back was really good, your sushi. I think the mock was evident, it had a lot of GK. BBA and BMS different. Okay, Jennifer, very good question. BBA and BMS are very similar, to be honest with you. You're good either way. I'm trying to be as loud as I can now, guys. Well, the difference is, from what I've heard from people around, BBA and BMS is actually 90% similar. BMS is predominantly to do with more of management and case studies. BBA has a little more of accounting and stuff. So outside of Maharashtra, you will see a whole lot more BBA options. BMS is more prevalent within Maharashtra. Okay, I see a lot of people joining in. Hopefully I haven't missed any questions. Aditya, what's the passing marks? There's no passing marks. Anyone get BMS scores? Did anyone get BMS scores? Yeah, so a lot of people reached out to my DM. Some got in their 60s, some got 82. Sir, in English questions, will there be more of vocabulary part? There will be some amount of vocabulary, more than I think finding out the meaning of the word itself. It will be like, if there is a given sentence, they will ask, in this context, what does this particular word imply? Something along those lines, maybe. Shamik Nath. Thank you for clicking my dot. Most welcome, Jennifer. What is a good score? So your volume is too low. Damn it. अब मैं क्या करूँ? Hi guys. Is this better? Hello. Questions? Okay. 15-second lag. Vocabulary by itself is not as important as much as language comprehension. Current affairs. CHHIPAS Samir 9. Lot of current affairs, lot of people of positions in power, who's the current governor of India, etc., etc. What is the general syllabus in BMS? When I just go through the website clearly shows the breakdown. I think it's 5 different modules with 20% weightage in each. So what's happening is I've actually logged in on the live using my iPad, because the iPad, for some reason, the location is set to India, so that's in my favor, and I'm able to log in. I'm not able to do it on my phone is because phone GPS is set to Dubai. So for those of you who asked the portion, so weightage, English language and comprehension 20%, logical reasoning and visual reasoning 20%, data interpretation 20%, math 20%, and general knowledge 20%. That's cover. इसमें कोई cover नहीं है यार. To figure out a way to increase the volume. Okay, 1 second. Let's see what can be done. Hello. Okay, hello guys, can you hear me now? Is it more audible? Hopefully. Okay, Janvi's is perfect. 20% means 24 questions each, right? So if it's 100 marks, Nalin, I believe the paper is 100 marks, right? Basis on previous comments. So 20% means 20 questions. Much better. Okay, here we go again. Sorted. Wait, Janvi is a champion, dude. Any questions I missed? Which branch of BBA? I'll quickly switch the camera. There you go. That's your breakdown. ये तो आप लोग को वेबसाइट में मिल जाएगा. Not a problem. This is a PDF copy. I'll just wait for questions. Which branch of BBA is best according to me? Mello 26. Well, see, here we go. So the branch in most colleges have just the basic BBA degree. There are only some which specialize. वो अगर एक specialization आता भी है तो वो third year में आएगा. So that's maybe that's a worry for another day. So you have about 2 years of your own course study to decide if there's any specific minor you want to specialize in or major you want to specialize in. BMM has advertising and journalism, and that also comes in the third year. Then the only other BBA integrated degree I'm aware of is BBA plus MBA, which is I think IIM Indore, and then there's BBA LLB, which is law, which is a completely different subject matter altogether, and that's a 5-year course. According to you, can you help in time allocation for all sections? Okay, so good question, Simran Singh. Again, know what your strengths are. If you're really quick at math, I highly recommend you might want to save that for later and use the brain space for other questions, because language comprehension, you might have a couple of things to read that might be a little bit of a time sucking element. Aside from that, general knowledge, maybe you might have to think a little bit. Again, depends on your strength. If you're really sharp with your GK and if you can answer within seconds and seconds, you can always manage that and maneuver to the next question. I am confident that there should be an option to jump between sections mid-paper. In the 2-hour test that there is, you should be able to jump in between paper. They should allocate that. And when they do, of course, I would say whatever you're good at, do it a little bit later so that there is time for the other ones, or do those first so that there is enough time for the rest of the paper. Abstract reasoning questions will be advanced level or easy. Shamik Nath, it won't be easy because a lot of people are writing the paper. So, of course, Xavier's will handpick those with the best answers. According to you, can you help in time allocation? Yes, 20 questions for math. Kiran, yes, 20 questions for math, but then there's 20% for data interpretation also. Na? So, uske hisab se data interpretation also has a little bit of a math element to it. Can you tell us about the interview questions? Aditya, I don't think there's going to be interview this time around because the 100% weightage is 60% entrance, 40% 12 marks. If there is an interview happening for BMS, I assure you I'll come live again. Once again, I'll coordinate with Janvi. I'll come live again and help you out. Because interview is something I did do pretty well at. I'll help you out with that. Don't worry. Do we have any advantage for ISB, YLP? Okay, so Simran, excellent question. I was shortlisted for ISB, YLP program. But I believe the Young Leaders Program YLP that there is after your graduation, you have about 18 months of work experience to gain, which is what I'm currently doing. So that is for post-grad. Wouldn't worry about it now. What would be your preference other than Xavier's? What would be my preference? So I would definitely look at Narsi Moji. Narsi Moji is really good. For BBA particularly, I would look at Christ Bangalore. Christ is obviously one of the best ranked. There is Shahid Sukhdev in Delhi. Bhaiya, if I'm not selected, then Ayush, if you're not selected, life में और बहुत कुछ है करने को. Don't fret about it at all. This is a very small part of your life. I've already mentioned that extensively on YouTube. You're aware of a glimpse of my story. Will there be an interview? Is Bhavan's college good for BMS? Bhavan's is also a decent place, yes. So if there is an interview, don't worry. I'll come live again for it. There's time for that, right? Let the test get over. I'll be happy to come live again. No, there wasn't, Shamik Nath. I didn't have those kind of questions back in my time. Interview should be happening. Sargam. Any questions that I might have missed? I've got 70%. How much do I need to score in entrance on the safe side? Bay.bliss. 55 plus, please. To be on the safe side. If you mean to be on the safe side, of course, score as much as you possibly can. Cool. Any questions that I might be missing? How are the placements? Placements are brilliant, Simran. Lot of options, and Xavier's obviously has one of the highest people landing in there looking for placements. I think in my time itself, there were more than 35 to 40 different options, and I was shortlisted for a couple of them. But again, placements again happens after 3 years. Once you pick and once you're shortlisted, you cannot participate or partake in other placements. So you'll have to be careful there. That's the story for another day. 120 marks. Okay, fair enough. 120 marks. So you have 120 minutes and 120 marks. Sounds good. No, it's actually 100. Okay, now you guys will have to figure this out. Okay, Janvi says 120 marks, 30 marks in a 25 minutes in a good timeline. Okay, either way. See, as long as there's 120 minutes, and regardless of whether there is 100 marks or 120 marks, manage that accordingly. Just catch 60 seconds per question on average. Of course, whatever is your strength, save time there. Answer those in 25 to 30 seconds. You'll save half a minute, half a minute. Some motivational words for those who are nervous. Take as many opportunities as you possibly can. Even if you don't get into BMS, like I rightly suggested, there's a lot more to experience in life. You will miss 100 of the shots you don't take. You will miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. So try your level best, as best as you can, to do various different things, especially those that you enjoy, and especially more than anything, build your skills. So I had a low GPA, right? My story, I had actually a remarkably low GPA. कितना था मेरा GPA पूछना मत, मैं बताऊंगा नहीं, but it wasn't something to be proud of. But I had developed quite a bit of skill sets, right, in terms of communication, in sales, in marketing, in digital media. All of that compounded and helped me greatly in getting the placement. So my marks weren't the greatest even while I was writing the exam. So 82%, it's a decent score definitely, but it's not extraordinarily great. You see obviously a lot of BA entrances, folks have 95 plus, 98 percentage. So don't let that dictate your reality. It won't affect your journey as long as you don't let it affect your journey, right? So that's a mind game, honestly. But subjective part hoga kya bhaiya? You can expect it. I'm not entirely sure. Subjective part agar hoga, but someone else suggested that it's purely going to be MCQ. So if it's purely MCQ, then probably not. You have options to play with. Again, go back to my video once again, and you will have an idea on how to manage with game theory using MCQs. How much have you guys scored? Got accepted in Christ, but got the Pune campus. Shamiknath, the Pune campus is not too bad either. Maybe wait it out and see if you get Bangalore. If you get Bangalore, nothing like it. Which field has a better scope? So Mellow 26, BBA and BMS are pretty much the same thing. BMS is not available in your state. Yeah, so that's exactly what I was getting at. BMS is predominantly a Maharashtra only course. So don't worry about it. It's literally the same. Like I said, it's 90% similar. I think एक semester में course subject matter थोड़ा फर्क है. In terms of the 3-year degree, and say a recruiter looks at your degree, BMS and BAB are considered in the same bracket. So don't worry about it. I scored 88. Vinayak, solid score, man. That's a very nice score. You get the results of test. Again, those folks who are discussing scores is again relative to how others have scored in your specific category, right? General category, obviously cutoff is typically higher, but
don't let that bother you. Is again because if you've already given the test, it's white and black, right? Either you get in or you don't, based on the 100% aggregate, 60-40. Either you get in or you don't. So there's really no point in perhaps losing your mental peace after the test is done. So what's done is done. Your marks are determined at that point. Chalo, acha, you guys are having a cute little discussion by yourself. Difference between BMS and BMM. Okay, so BMS, I had cleared the entrance. I ended up taking BMM. BMS is a lot like BBA, a lot of business, a lot of case studies. How do I know that? Because I studied at Berkeley, California. I had gone for an exchange program, and so you'll have a lot of case studies and a lot of business development related topics, a lot of core business. So it's very, I think it's an upgraded version of the 12th standard में आप लोग जो business studies पढ़ते हो if you're from CBSE. It is just an upgraded version of that. No hope of getting Bangalore now. It was really hard to manage Xavier's preparation with that. Completely understand, Shamiknath. Berkeley Heart. A lot of other international opportunities, guys. So there's something for everyone. For those of you who go for it, it's important that you apply. Like I said, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Okay, you got 93% in 12th. Okay, that's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. If you got that much, 93%. See, Ankit, it's very difficult. See, here's why it gets difficult to answer that question, right? The reason it gets difficult is again because your score, obviously, the higher you score, the higher your odds. But then again, even if say you don't score remarkably well in the entrance, it entirely depends on the standard median of how other people score. So if other people, the average most frequently occurring score out of say the 60 aggregate is 35, 36, 37, 38, 45, and you happen to score in the 50s, your odds are higher. It all depends on the relative weightage of the maximum total score that you obtain. And the top 23, 24 of that get shortlisted, actually a higher number from that, and then the interviews, and then you get shortlisted to 23, 24. How much marks will ensure final selection out of 120 marks? BMS considering 95.5%. Already answered this question. All relative. Score as much as you can. Really just score as much as you can. Okay, there were a lot of economic related questions in BMM. Okay, how much is economics? So, Princey, in my course of 6 semesters, there was economics involved in 2 semesters. 2 semesters के एक subject में economics था, but it is not overly complicated. Of course, the professors are there to help you out. It is not core economics at all. It's a BMM degree. BMM is supposed to be a lighter degree to comprehend. It is a lot more explorative. It is a lot more hands-on than thick economic theories. So don't sweat it. The economics that we learn is a lot to do with understanding, say, news when you read something, or in terms of understanding journalism and just understanding the general economic swings. Hey, don't be tensed, Ankit. I don't want you to get tensed, and I want 100% of your brain energy there while you're giving the test. Tension सब बाद में ले लो. बाद में भी लेके फायदा नहीं है because determined हो चुका है. Tension लो ही मत. Any other colleges for BMM? KC is a very good college. So in Mumbai, after Xavier's, I would definitely give credit to KC College. If you happen to be a woman, Sophia's College for Women is fantastic. And you can try Wilson, you can try St. Andrews, you can try Jai Hind, HR. There's one more college which I'm not able to remember right now. There's also Whistling Woods, which is really good, but it's a little expensive. Yeah, general seats, yes. Mr. Tony on fire. Thanks, Arjun Crasto. I'm borrowing some of the flame that you have. Any other colleges for BMS in Mumbai? So Xavier's is one. There is Narsee Monjee, which I believe is BBA. Same thing again. You can again try for BMS. You can try KJ Somaiya. You can try Sydenham, you can try. HR is brilliant. You can try Jai Hind. You can try Lala Rajpat. There's the one next to Mitibai. Mitibai is brilliant. There's KC College right next to it. There's one more. I'm trying to recall now. Ruia is also very nice. Polita. Ruia is also a very good college. Best college. Best college for BMS or BBA after Xavier's. I just mentioned it, yeah. Or do you mean like masters? How IA? I'm not able to understand the question. Tony, please save the live. Yes, I shall. Is Xavier's the best college for BMS in Maharashtra? Yes, it is. Nalin, the year by year scores might change, but that's irrelevant. Again, it doesn't matter what the rank of the college is while you are enrolling into the college. What matters is what can be the rank when you're graduating, right? Because again, the whole rank, you getting in is a great deal, but once you graduate, you need to make sure that you have a high quality college rank, right? Xavier's is immortal regardless of rank. So no matter what, if you look at any 3-year weightage, any 3-year average, Xavier's is always on top. So Xavier's is just like imprinted themselves actually in the first position, in my humble opinion. How's Whistling Woods for BMM? Expensive. Shrivardhan Kori. Very expensive, but it's pretty nice. I think a lot of directors themselves, film directors themselves are part of the actual college. So there's a lot of interactive learning. You get to meet some celebs. You also have the option to intern within Whistling Woods. It's a good place. Provided you can keep up to the fees, then that's absolutely not a problem. Whistling Woods is a good option. BMS and Xavier's entrance test, what type of questions you remember? Jayant, again, watch my YouTube video. I went in detail extensively. I was asked a subjective question which had to do with globalization and if government should regulate businesses. That was just an opinionated kind of an answer, which I don't think will stand by for this time's paper. BMS, and what type of questions you remember? Score. You should be able to see the score, Saj. It's an online test, right? And since it's MCQs only, the answer is determined, so you should be able to. Yeah, Janvi said it herself. Fees is definitely high. What's better, BMS or BCom? Sheena, again, what is it that you want to do first? So instead of giving weightage to the course, don't do something just because the course itself carries weight. First, find out what it is that you want to do, and basis on that, pick a course. Don't do it inadvertently. But if you're asking me in the sense कि ठीक है society में क्या ज़्यादा weightage है, more often than not BMS is given slightly more weightage, but again, doesn't matter. Honestly, doesn't matter. If you feel like doing BCom and then maybe getting a postgrad in MCom, go for it 100%. BMM was on the side. Yes. Actually, that's a good idea, Princey. In fact, I considered taking a drop after 12th standard. OCBC, do I have a chance in BMS if entrance goes well? 100%. Aryan, you've answered the question yourself. If your entrance goes really well, of course you have a chance. Once you enter the college, you'll have to sort out your attendance. That gets difficult. In fact, I was during my college time, I was defaulted more than once for lack of attendance. Then I had sports quota. That's a different story, and so I was bailed out. BA specialization is good after BMM. Shrivardhan, I promise you, this question will be answered by itself in your experience of 3 years in BMM or BBA. You will know exactly what it is to do. As far as Xavier's is concerned, you have two options: journalism, advertising. Right now, it's called BA MCG. Once you finish your course, there is a high chance because you've studied advertising and journalism, you might end up doing MBA in journalism, which is relatively more rare. MBA in advertising, obviously marketing, there's a lot of options. Is it necessary to pursue MBA after BMS for getting a good job? What do you mean by a good job? If you mean high pay, then yeah, probably, because you want to get a master's degree. But I always recommend getting some WorkX, because whatever WorkX you get. So here's a tip, right? When you decide to do an MBA, and if you've already worked, recruiters for MBA, I'm talking about MBA here, will look at your exit salary. Okay? I know this for a fact because I have cousins who are part of HR, and so they were explaining to me how they measure it. So if your exit salary while having entered and finished MBA, and if you had say 2 years of experience and your exit salary was say 45,000, for example, they will take that into account, and obviously they'll try to give you a better deal. But if you have zero work experience, depending on again the MBA college that you get into, since you have no reference as to what your pay slip was, they can quote you whatever, and it may or may not be a good deal, right? But in terms of work experience, they know for a fact that this is what he was earning before. This chap was earning this much before, and now that he or she has done an MBA, of course they would expect a higher pay grade. It's all MCQ, no subjective. Difference between BMS or BBM, that is Bachelor's of Business Management. If you actually meant BBM and not BMM, it's almost the same again, don't worry. BMM is different because of course that's a lot more media centric. Same guys. Chalo, is there any question that I might have missed? Keep shooting, guys. I have about 10 more minutes and I'm happy to answer anything. Surprisingly, some BMM folks in here, yeah. Hey, you can try Micah. Micah is a brilliant postgrad. Does Xavier's have international? So Aditya, very good question. Xavier's has a plethora of options. So if you go to the site, there are more than 40 universities that Xavier's has tied up with. More than 50% of them, I think even about 70% of them are Jesuit institutes. It's a collaboration by the Jesuit institutions internationally. So you have a lot of options. There's University of Notre Dame. There is Berkeley, which is private. There is Oxford, which is for the underprivileged. Lots and lots of options. There's for 1 year exchange program, Comillas Pontifical. There is Sciences Po, which is in France. Comillas is in Spain. I could go on and on. There's even options in China for that matter. Really needed this live. Thank you so much. Hey, most welcome, man. Anything to keep you guys going. Kill it. What, 36 people? Seats to come as Xavier's mein, but let's hope most of you 36, all of you 36 get in. Yeah, it's a lot of hearts for that. Shamik Kant, quant section, yes, predominantly that. I don't think there will be geometry. I doubt. No. Again, if you've up until 10th standard is the level of maths questions you can expect, and it won't be that difficult again because it's a timed test. It's only about 60 seconds. I see a lot of laughing emojis. I hope Tony, please talk to college. Tell them to take interview. To prepare for subject. If I'm the interviewer, I'll be damn strict. I won't be this friendly. I will test your confidence. I will test your inner self-esteem, and I would like to know what your purpose is. So if you see my face in the interview, you should be ready. What do you think? How much should be the score now that we can see post-exam? How much I scored in BMS entrance? Saj, I scored above 50. I don't remember the exact score, unfortunately. It's been a while, yaar. 4 saal ho gaye. So interview I scored 9.1 for both BMS and BMM. One was 8.9, one was 8.9 and 9.1 out of 10. What specialization? I pakka, I'm saying this live, so even Janvi can hear it. Janvi Pandya, interview ka time jab aayega, please let's go for another live. Uske liye I will myself dig into the past and remember everything that I've said. You have to be a very good storyteller as far as interview is concerned, okay? Because they're trying to find out about you and your personality. Know really how to present a beautiful story and do it with a little more of articulation, because they are trying to see clarity in your thought. If they get a hunch that, oh, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about, or he or she is all over the place, your odds will be lower. So that's a helpful tip for you. Body language really matters in the interview. I'll hopefully, if I'm able to, I'll do a session on body language also. No pointing in any of that business in the interview. Does luck matter? Does luck matter? Ayush, luck matters, I think, almost anywhere in life. But more than the luck itself, I would like to use the word providence, right? Because you have done your, if you have done your bit, the rest is in providence, which is, say, God or the universe. Yeah, but they will be taking aggregate based on both your boards as well as entrance. If not Xavier's, what other college would you suggest? I already answered that, Jaydeep. Kiran Preet Saini, no, I didn't score 50. I didn't score 50%. So entrance का जो 60 marks था, I scored above 50. So it was somewhere, to be honest, somewhere around 50, 54 to 57 out of 60. So if you look at 100 marks, if you want to know in percentages, it was around 85 to 90% for the exact entrance that I wrote. Just 50 out of 120. No, Saj, don't be mistaken. I wouldn't be here talking to you guys if I scored 50 out of 120. Again, back in my time it was 60, 30 and 10. Okay, so 60 was the entrance. 60 में से I got in the 54, 56 range out of 60. 30 में से, it was my 12th grade boards, it was 82%, so I got about 25 out of 30 in terms of 12th, right? So that is around 50. So I'm catching, chalo kam marks pakad lete, 52 pakad lo, 52 plus 25, and then I got 9.1. So that was my final score. It was somewhere around 87 to 89 out of 100. That's insane. Feeling good. I'll feel even greater if I can have you guys clear the entrance. Same 82% in boards. Killing it. Shiver. Don't let that bother you. 82% is very much a decent score. Just kill it in the entrance. Preparation खास से करी थी भैया. मैंने 7 entrances लिखे थे भाईजान. So when I wrote those many entrances, it was just like I was just taking the test for a ride, because तब तक मेरा Manipal was cleared. I had gotten into VIT, I had gotten into Symbiosis, I had gotten into a bunch of colleges already, so I was not afraid of anything. So yeah, that's another thing I should mention to you guys. I was not afraid of taking the test. तो मैं stress में बैठूंगा तो फिर obviously I won't be able to give my best. So my mindset going into the paper was very much, me shooting for the stars and me enjoying the process. What you're doing right now, Masters? Sheena, I work in Dubai, which is why we were struggling to get this life sorted. I work in Dubai, I work for Zomato. I'm their advertising sales manager. Basically, I handle growth for a lot of restaurants here in Dubai from Zomato's side. Uh-oh. Score 93%. How can I get into Xavier's BMS? Tony sir, we want your confidence. Oh, confidence. Confidence comes from, again, the fire within you and relevant experience. Relevant experience also matters because it builds your existing confidence, right? You want to see कि यार मैं ये X चीज में मैं improve होते जा रहा हूँ. So when you say decide to, for example, start playing chess, I love playing chess. In the starting it gets really confusing. You keep playing, you keep enjoying, and then you see कि यार I'm getting better and better. Or say cricket or any sport or any specific skill set for that matter, right? Relevant experience is very important. Someone asked me, they want my confidence. Here's what I did to improve my confidence. I wrote so many exams here, guys. I was not afraid to fail. So मेरे को अगर if it came down to me not having any clue about the exam, बस look at the question, तुक्का मारो, game theory, do what you can, be clever about it. Don't be afraid of that. So regardless, because again, if I rather pick the wrong answer than not pick an answer at all, right? The best thing to do is get the right answer. Second best thing to do is pick the wrong answer, because you never know. You might think it's a wrong answer. You have pressed the option and it might just be right. And the third option obviously is to not even attempt the question. That's the worst. And negative marking तो है नहीं, फिर क्यों tension ले रहे हो? Janvi ma'am, thank you so much for this live. Oh yeah, 100% full props, 100% props. This video has been completely sponsored by Janvi Pandya. I am in no way claiming any rights for this video. This is her property. What actually is visual reasoning? There will be images displayed to you. There might be graphs. There will be something that you have to observe. It could be maybe a clock's arrow or something along those lines, and they might ask what is the angle of the clock, what is the overall. So basis on what you see, and obviously there might also be some numerical annotation to it. देखने के हिसाब से you have to answer what the question is, and please focus on exactly what the question is. Like laser focus on exactly what they're asking. Oftentimes people miss out कि यार I ended up giving an answer which wasn't even what they were asking me in the first place. What skills we should know for internships? Sheena, the whole point of an internship is to improve your skill and to figure things out. So you don't necessarily need a skill unless, of course, you're going for a high level paid internship. But even when you go for a high level paid internship, you should probably do a bunch of free internships before that, just to diversify. Son, such an enlightening live session. यार मुझे तो गाना गाने का मन कर रहा है, मजा आ रहा अभी तो. मेरा तो लाइफ का फर्स्ट एंट्रेंस ही जेवियर्स का है. ओह नाइस. आनी अंडरस्कोर मालो. बीएमएम मेरा सबसे पहला एंट्रेंस था फॉर द बीएमएम कोर्स, एंड सिंस आई क्लियर्ड इट आई वाज लाइक यार लगता है कि तकदीर चाहती है कि मैं ये कोर्स को ले लूं. बीएमएस मैंने बहुत सारा लिखा था. बीबीए बीएमएस आई रिटन अराउंड 5 6 7. In today's test, the current affairs they asked not actually about current situation. So there will be some amounts of current affairs. Now, current affairs may not necessarily be in the last 10 days, last 30 days. It'll be when they say current affairs is like in a period of, for me at least, I would say in a period of 1 year. So like from the year late 2019 to now, because questions are prepared well in advance, right? So it cannot be super recent. Does Xavier's have sports team? Yes, Jaydeep. But our sports team unfortunately isn't the strongest. But if you have a sports quota, please apply. We would like to improve the. Our volleyball team is very solid from what I've heard. Our chess team is also decent. I was captain of chess team for St. Xavier's College. I was captain for the last year. And you obviously get some leeway also. Tony, we never played chess in college. अच्छा हो गया Janvi. We can play online anytime now, yeah. Did BMM entrance marks? Yes, it did. Menezes underscore Voila, it did. Hey, do they have negative marking? They don't. Yeah. 10 minutes तो समाप्त हो गए हैं. Any last questions, guys, that I can take before I end the live? You were an all-rounder. No, Sheena. No, not really. Please don't call me that. I mean, I appreciate the flattery. Thank you so much, but I wasn't an all-rounder. Is there sports happening inside the college, like outdoor sports? Yeah, absolutely. Aditya, there is a sports day. So lot of opportunities. Sports का option है. I really want to thank you guys for helping us out. Most welcome, Paulita. Nice name you have. Thanks. Yeah, lot of activity going on, guys. All the very best. Okay, please go with a calm mind. Enjoy the process more than the end result. Whatever happens, right, in life, के लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, whatever circumstances arise in life isn't as important as what you do about it. Okay, so always remember that on an ending note. It's far less important. Whatever circumstances you're in, whatever is served to you is far less important than what you're going to do about it. So if you just, again, the best thing to do is obviously to do the right thing. The second best thing is to do the wrong thing, and the worst thing is to do absolutely nothing. When you do absolutely nothing and sit, when you're sitting stagnant, even the world revolves, right? Even the world is rotating. So when you sit idle, the world will move forward. So just make some moves. Don't just sit on a chair and do nothing. Keep moving. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. अरे वाह, ढेर सारा प्यार. आप लोग सबको भी ढेर सारा प्यार. Does CVS have a badminton court? Volleyball court तो है, badminton भी ये सोचना पड़ेगा. I think you should ask Janvi that question. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Just an amazing session. Wow. Lot of hearts. Wow. Nice. I've never felt this loved before. Thank you guys. Beauty. Please follow Janvi's alternate page. As you saw in the comments, it's Psychologist JP. Please follow that also. Dramatics, there are huge fests in Xavier's. There's a huge fest. So in terms of theater and performances, you have tons and tons of options. The Xavier's is a beautiful place to be if that's what you're looking at. Okay guys, I really need to go. It's about 6:40. I just have a Zoom call to get into. I have to get on a team call with regards to my work. So until then, cheers guys. All the very, very best once again. Absolutely smash it out of the park. Do well. God bless. Cheers.